What's going on, guys? It's Alex here from TechG202, and today we'll be taking a look at selection in RAPTOR. So let's say we are given a problem where we need to develop an algorithm to determine if a student has passed or failed based on their mark, which we will assume is provided as an input by a user. And let's say we are given the following information that pass mark would be if mark is greater than or equal to 50. Fail will be if the mark is less than 50. So let's attack this problem. First, what do we do? Okay, well, we know that we have to output. So we need to present the user with a message that they either passed or failed. Second, we need to have a variable mark and information inside that. Okay, well, how do we get the information? Well, as I said earlier, we're assuming that the input is provided by a user. So we'll just use input here from the symbols list. We will add that to our flowchart. We will say enter student mark, and we'll store the variable as mark. Next, we will select the selection symbol, and then we will add that in, and then we will add a condition here. So our condition, we just have to set one. We don't have to set two, right? Even though let's say in this problem, we are told that if mark, so let me just type it out, mark is equal to 50 is pass, we don't have to also write a separate section that says mark is less than 50, which means they fail. We can do this really simply. So we can just use the first condition, which was mark is greater than or equal to 50. There you go. So next, what we're gonna do, there's two ways we can go about this. I will show the two ways that we can do this. So first, what we can do, right? So we want to present the status, right? Whether the student has passed or failed. So we can either do it like this, which the first method is using the assignment symbol, which is like this. We will set the variable to be called status. And the value, now this is important. If we just enter pass like this, it's not going to store it as a string. So in order for it to be stored as a string, you need to add quotation marks. So like so. And we'll do the same thing on the other side, which will have status. And let me just show you what happens if we don't add the quotations there. Oh, and one thing we are forgetting is an output. So we need to print the status. So we can just type here, student has status. So now let's run what we got right now. So say the student passes. So let's say we got a 50. Then as you can see, student has passed. But let's say student has failed. So this is what's going to happen. Because now keep an eye on the status and fail, right? Remember, we didn't add the quotation marks here. So variable not found, right? Because again, we didn't store fail as a string. That's going to cause us some issues. So we're just going to put quotation Actually, let me just rephrase this. So now if we enter 49, it successfully worked. Student has failed because we store it as a string. So this is one way to go about it. Another way, we can get rid of this, and do the following. We can just have the message say student has passed, like so. Okay, there you go. So it's pretty much this, it's gonna do the same thing, right? So if I enter, say 80, 850, 80, there you go. It works just as the same. The only difference here is we don't put the string passed into status and print status. Here, we're just simply printing yes or no. And either method is okay. It's just maybe less efficient, but in essence, it works the same way, and either way is really correct. So yeah, that's RAPTOR and working with the selection sequences. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll hope to catch you guys all in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.